Now, this is exactly how to fix Android keyboard not showing up. Suppose you are going to type something but your keyboard won't pop up or wouldn't show. So this is how you can fix it. So simply get into your mobile phone settings. In the settings, scroll down, find and select the apps. Right now in the apps, you have to scroll down and select your default keyboard app. Suppose in my case, I'm using Samsung keyboard and Gboard, but my Gboard is my main keyboard app. So simply selecting Gboard from this section, and so yeah, there's the Gboard. Simply tap on the Gboard, and what you have to do is simply force stop the app once, because when you force stop, it will remove all the tasks from the background, and if any of those causing the issue and which keyboard won't show up, so that will be also removed. Now what you have to do is simply go back. Now in any field, suppose this is a text field, so simply tap on this, and as you can see, my keyboard started showing up. Now this will work for most of the users. If it didn't work out, simply go to this settings section. Now in the Gboard app, basically you have to get into the storage and clear the cache data for the app. Now this is the second thing you can do, and lastly, you can uninstall and reinstall the app, and do check whether the app is up to date or not. So these are all the 3 to 4 proven fixes which will help you to fix Android keyboard not showing up and in the easiest way.